One reason the gelatin trick continues to trend is because it aligns with a broader shift towards simpler wellness habits. Instead of extreme approaches, many people are now exploring small routines they can maintain long-term. The gelatin method is often practiced by mixing a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin with warm water and drinking it before meals. Users say this helps them feel more grounded and intentional when eating. Online discussions frequently point out that results vary from person to person, and that this routine works best when combined with balanced meals and healthy daily habits. What stands out is how often people describe the gelatin trick as easy to test. There's no complicated setup, no expensive tools, and no rigid schedule, which makes it appealing to a wide audience. If you're curious to see the full explanation behind this gelatin routine, you can find more information through the link in the first comment.